it's Chantel with Wild Berry Quilting, and I've got the Sew Sampler box. I think this is the August box, so I'm a little bit late getting to open mine, but I wanted to do so on camera for you guys. It says the golden hour is our theme, and whoop. Okay, so right on the top, I see Tear Away Quilting, and it looks like just a meandering kind of design. I think some people call this stippling. I usually call that meandering though, which might be completely wrong. But, and this one refers to it as scribbles. So I think what this does is you would place this on top of your quilt, and then you could use this to free motion your quilt without having to really think about it. You could just follow the lines, which I think is fantastic for somebody who's just getting into quilting, or if you're wanting to, just getting into doing their own free motion quilting, I should say, or for somebody who's wanting to use a more complex design. Obviously, that is not a complex design. It's fairly simple, but it is really great for somebody who's just starting out to start with something a little bit easier. And it looks like this has one of the other designs on it. It's a little bit more complex. I think that's really cute. So I feel pretty confident doing this particular style of this particular quilting motif. So I think this would be a really great piece to add to the giveaway box. So there's another one for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I know we got a little ways to go, but that's great because it means that we have more stuff we can add along the way. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can make sure that you are going to be included in that giveaway. All right, so next I've got some, I think it's Metler thread. Yes, Metler. And it's this navy kind of a color. It's almost between navy and really dark teal, but I think it borders more on navy. Very pretty color. I'm sure that'll come in handy. Oh my goodness, how adorable. Look at this itty bitty little ruler. Oh my gosh, it's so teeny tiny. So let me open this up. And it doesn't even have the little peel off on the back because it's so small. So this is 1.5 inches, and that is the total measurement. There's no bumper on the sides or anything. The total measurement on that, like, you might think that each of these squares is 1 inch, but they are not. Each individual square is 3/4 of an inch. So that's interesting because I don't know, it's not what I would normally think with those squares, it broken up into 4 squares. You would think, obviously they can't make it a full inch or a full, or, 1/2 inch, because that wouldn't equate to 1.5 inches total. But just to be clear on that, each one of those squares is 3/4 of an inch. I don't know, I'm unable to hold it. I would be a little bit concerned about using this for cutting. I wouldn't want to, I don't know, anytime you get that close to your fingers with a blade, that would make me nervous. So I'm not sure how I feel about this. I'm going to have to try it out and see what I think. Ooh, the pattern. Oh, it's very pretty. I like it. It's a star quilt, and you know I like it. And it looks like, so there's the larger stars, but then each of these that kind of look like, you know, from far away they look like dots, but these are actually smaller stars too. So definitely going to be a lot of cutting for that one, but very cute. And it's called Sunray. And it looks like it finishes at 74.5 by 74.5. So that's actually a pretty good size quilt. All right. And we've got our block of the month. It is so pretty. I like it. I'm really going to have to do these. I haven't started any of them yet, but I love them. I even like the fabrics that they chose for them. So this is called Rose. That's what this one is this month. Very nice. And in case you're wondering, the block sizes, the finished blocks are 12.5 inches squared. All right. And now the fabric. So it looks like, if I can open it, I'm gonna need the scissors. Make sure I don't snip any of the fabric. That would be devastating. All right. So it's called Day in the Life by Echo Park Paper Company. Okay. I like this top one. That's pretty. Oh, I like it in white too. Oh, we've got little rainbows. Yep, they're rainbows. Try and give you a better look of that. And we've got this little ditzy floral in like a navy kind of a background. And a polka dot on, I think I'd call that coral. But it's kind of a sporadic polka dot. It's not uniform. Oh, I really like these little green flower. Well, the flowers are white, but on this green fabric, I really like that one. They actually have the little stems on there too. And then we've got just a pink check and a yellow check. And then I'm just going to turn the whole bundle around for this one. It is kind of a chalk line, not really rainbow, but, you know, stripes. So that's a really cute little bundle. And it looks like they are all, I think they're all fat quarters. Yes, 9-piece fat quarter bundle. So that's nice. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. Whether I'll do the actual pattern or whether, I think I like this pattern a lot, but I'd rather see it with different fabrics. And these, I'm going to have to think on these a little while. Well, it looks like that's everything in the box. So if you enjoyed this, please remember to like and subscribe. I love having you here, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye. Okay, popping back in just for a moment here. I forgot to say that the coupon code on the back is for 20% off Riley Blake Designs fabric. So Riley Blake, I believe, is the one that works with Lori Holt. So they definitely have some good fabrics there. All right. See you next time. Bye.